Bring the next pallet to lane 4.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
Watch the forklift coming through lane 4.
Acknowledged. We are logging the incoming crates now.
The flow rate on line 3 is slightly below target.
Check the vibration sensor on the articulated arm.
The flow rate on line 3 is dipping slightly below target.
It looks like the automated tilt on crate 4B might be too slow.
At the end of the intake phase, the mangoes move into these enclosed stainless steel channels, heading toward the washing division.
The secondary wash zone utilizes these massive rotating drums to ensure every mango surface is meticulously cleaned before the final inspection.
Here we see the sanitized mangoes moving up the drainage conveyors. The excess water is recycled below.
After sanitization, the mangoes move onto these inclined stainless steel drainage conveyors, where excess water drips into the recycling channels below.
Monitor the luminescence readings on batch 7. Adjusting the flow rate now, seems stable.
Washed and ready, the mangoes flow smoothly through stainless steel channels towards the processing halls.
The optical sensors are detecting early anthracnose markers on the localized surface.
Yes, the AI analysis confirms 98% accuracy on the sorting.
Check the infrared sensor on lane 2. We have a deviation in the ripeness index.
Confirmed. Adjusting parameters now.
The precision on the color sorting is quite excellent today.
Yes, the grade A output has significantly increased this quarter.
The automated system ensures precise sampling, minimizing contamination risks, and streamlining the quality control process.
The waste percentage is negligible.
flawless execution across all units.
The waste percentage is holding steady at 0.5%.
Good. Let's maintain this throughput for the next hour.
Here in the refinement area, advanced optical sorting ensures only the finest golden segments move forward. At the end of the cutting phase, clean mango flesh pieces enter enclosed stainless steel transfer conveyors.
The fresh mango flesh is fed directly into these massive steel pulping drums. Rotating blades.
The viscosity levels are stabilizing at the optimal range.
Confirmed. We are maintaining the target flow rate.
We are maintaining optimal viscosity levels throughout the process.
And the flow rate indicators are perfectly stable.
The mango pulp flows continuously as inline sensors meticulously measure the consistency, ensuring peak quality.
Check the consistency reading on the main display.
Looks good from here, steady flow.
The bricks level is slightly high on this batch.
Adjust the blend ratio to standardize the flavor.
Everything looks consistent on this batch.
The refractometer readings confirm the VRIX level. We are clear for processing.
Check the pressure on module 3. It's spiking slightly. I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Following the pumping phase, the refined mango pulp is transferred through these stainless steel pipelines towards pasteurization.
Check the thermal reading on sensor 4 again.
It's holding steady at 3 degrees Celsius.
The temperature curve here is fluctuating slightly, but it's still within the acceptable parameters.
Adjusting the flow rate now.
Check the throughput on screen 3.
It's slightly below target, but still within tolerance.
The pasteurized mango pulp flows through these sealed pipelines, ensuring maximum hygiene and massive production scale.
Here in the labeling corridor, sealed containers receive their export-grade labels and batch codes with pinpoint accuracy.
The throughput on lane 3 is exceeding the target by 5%.
Noted. The alignment looks good from here.
Divert this crate to the priority loading zone immediately.
Confirmed. Adjusting the route now.
Control, this is forklift 3. Pallet secure at level 4.
Acknowledged. Move to staging.
Temperature in Zone 4 is holding steady at 2 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. All systems are green across the board.
Make sure that pallet goes to lane 4.
Confirmed. Sending it now.
We need to reroute the Asia Pac shipment due to the weather delay in Sector 4.
Confirmed. Updating the clearance manifests now.
Clear on the rear right.
Confirmed. Seals inspected and verified.
Container secured. Verify manifest 742.
Confirmed. Driver cleared for departure.
All mango containers on platforms 1 through 5 are sealed and checked. Proceed with loading sequence.
Here at the heart of the mango complex, efficiency and hygiene are paramount to the entire operation.
The scale of the operation is immense, with a constant flow of product moving from the factory floors to international distributors.